What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. For today, this is gonna be another Sailor Moon vlog because I'll be going to Pinoy Otaku Fest. I remember that I made that vlog around years ago before pandemic happened as Lucy Heartfilia, but this time it's another character. I wore her last time in CebuCon at Meetups in the Block. If you want to see that video, it's linked down here in the description box. So I just finally finished preparing and we're gonna head to Robinson's Novaliches. So let's see, the magic begins. Whoosh. Yeah. So yeah, this is my full outfit and we're gonna leave for the con already because I ate brunch a while ago since I was very hungry and we need that energy to sell my art during the anime con. So yeah. So we're here right now in Robinson's Novaliches. We're heading now to the venue. It took around 35 minutes to go there. This is my first time I brought a stroller because I'll be selling during the con since boothing is so expensive. So yeah.
Let's get started.
Guys, everyone who's a big fan, Karma, dito. Ayan! One more time for Jared! Alright, to award our certificate of appreciation, Jared, congratulations! Photographer, please! Ayan, quick, okay, solo si Jared.
1 hour later.
Wala yung pen and pen. Nag-switch last minute. Ano pangalan mo? Gael po. Since nag-switch, ano bagong teammate ninyo? Jacqueline na lang. Jacqueline. Team Jacqueline. Wait lang. Wait lang.
We're just eating some dinner after this anime con. Then we'll go back to the anime con again to continue my small business. So yeah.
Alright, picture. Congratulations sa lahat. Thank you so much for joining.